Water treatment professionals, I want to show you how easy it is to get sophisticated, fast, reliable water quality testing in your hands and in the customer's hands using SimpleLab. So I'm here at gosimplelab.com. On the top of the page, there's a solutions section, and you'll see there's a considerable amount of attention given to filtration and treatment professionals under the solutions section. I'm going to go home and go ahead and click filtration here. I'm going to walk you through some of the most common water quality tests that water filtration professionals serving either residential applications or industrial applications or commercial applications are ordering through SimpleLab, why these tests are so helpful and useful. And if you have any questions, I want you to be asking those questions to us either at hello@gosimplelab.com or in the comments section below. You can also go onto our website and there's a live chat, and we're very responsive. So yeah, here I am on gosimplelab.com, solutions for water treatment professionals. We identify here some of the kind of main types of water filtration professionals we work with: residential, commercial, industrial. Each of these has its own page, and each of them the most popular tests associated with those applications. So drinking water tests for the residential sector, where we're living right now. Actually, we're not. We're in the general page. This is the residential water filtration page. The most popular tests are a drinking water test level 1 with bacteria. This is going to include all your metals, minerals, inorganics, and wet chem for bacteria, so coliform and E. coli. Drinking water level 2 is going to be a step up to include, if I'm not mistaken, in fact, we can just click in right here and we can see what is included in the kit by scrolling down, seeing this full list. And yes, we're including VOCs in this list, and that's why it's much larger. See all the contaminants here on the contaminant page. I'm going to go back to where we were. But that's useful because you get to see how by clicking any one of these, you're clicking into the page, you can read about the test, the methods that are being used. You can look at the technical details, the parameters being analyzed, their method, the MDL, the minimum detection level, and so forth. All of that information is here on the product page. Again, I'm just going to go back. Here we are back again on the home water filtration page for water treatment professionals. So you can kind of scan the coliform HPC test, the PFAS water test has been really popular, and of course these comprehensive kits, the drinking water test level 2 plus bacteria and so forth. You've got prices that include all of the testing, all the disposal, the materials, and the shipping both ways. So it's both to you and then back to the laboratory, and then the lab report, which comes in the mail afterwards. You can, of course, set up a user account within SimpleLab for your business. We call that a team. You're creating a SimpleLab team, and in the SimpleLab team, what you're doing is going to be able to kind of share lab reports with your teammates, keep them private, control the process, control the way the lab report looks, control the flow of steps when the kits get shipped, who they get shipped to, who activates the sampling kit, where the results go from the lab. When the results are completed, you need to review those results before issuing them to the next user, or do you want them to go directly to the next user, the customer or your teammate? If you have any questions about getting set up as a business using SimpleLab, we can offer wholesale testing discounts and bulk rates for kind of cheaper prices if you're doing a lot more testing than a residential homeowner. We have commercial rates. You fill out this form. Name, email, nothing fancy, and someone on our team will get back to you really quickly, or you can just start a chat live. Either way, what we're doing here is we're trying to kind of make it easy for you as a business to have business-like features, purchase orders, if you want to pay later for the kit rather than paying up front, if you need bulk and wholesale discounts. What you'll find is that SimpleLab makes it very easy to be a business using SimpleLab, getting better rates, and being able to customize the experience to really fit your needs as an organization and make you, your teammates, your customers happy with the kind of laboratory testing and reporting experience. So as it says on the screen, we're here to help. If you have any other questions at all as a water filtration professional, definitely take a look at gosimplelab.com/solutions/filtration. Go to the website, click around, ask us questions. We're here to help. We want to make it easier for you and your team to sell the best possible filtration to customers who need it. And we are going to do everything we can to make that process easy, affordable, and fast. Drop any questions you have in the section below, or email us hello@gosimplelab.com, or go to the website, fill out that form, contact sales. We will get in touch with you very quickly. Again, thanks for listening. And if you have any questions at all, look forward to hearing from you.